The benefits of collaboration features in a JavaScript PDF Viewer application. GcPdfViewer supports editing PDF documents in collaboration mode. The feature enables documents to be shared, with multiple users having permission levels, which helps them simultaneously share their thoughts on the document, even when in remote locations, letting each user instantly view changes made by any other user. This sharing and simultaneous editing saves a lot of time, as it helps review the documents in real time. Also, it reduces errors, as multiple users can observe comments from others and fix the issues as soon as possible. Collaboration can be done by adding annotations, form fields, sticky notes, or comments. Check out our other video linked in the description to learn how to implement the GcPdfViewer's collaboration mode.